Hello graphic designers, hope you all are doing good. Today, I am going to show you how you can master the blend option in Illustrator. You can create remarkable designs just by using blend. So, are you ready? Like the video or subscribe the channel and let's get started. There are so many things you can do with blends, but first let's start with basics. Blend is basically used to show how one object is connected to another by increasing or decreasing their copies in between. Let's understand with an example. Take a circle and make a copy of it and place anywhere in the document. Then select both and go to Object menu and select Blend and make blend. You can adjust the number of copies, select and double-click on Blend tool and choose specified steps. If you make too much copies you will not see space between them. To see it properly you can change color of one circle. You can also give variation in sizes to make different patterns. There is an option name Replace Spine. Let's see how it works. Create a line by Pen tool or Pencil tool, then select both Blend and Line and go to Blend option and select Replace Spine. Now you will see that blend has take shape of line. Are you thinking that blend will work on text or not? The answer is yes. Type any text and expand it before blending so it will become a shape. Now do the same process and make blend. And that's not it. Here's a bonus tip. You can also give it a perspective view. Type a text and select Free Transform tool and move your text like this. And now make the blend and see the magic. You can create some crazy effects like these. Let's make blend with lines. Select Pencil tool and create 3 lines like these, then select all of them and make blend. It looks great. But that's not it. You can add gradient to blend it with the background. You can also adjust thickness of lines anytime. And that's all. Hope you like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.